Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Big Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a text box in your Canva doc on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a text box in your Canva docs document on your computer. So it's simple. You can't find the adding the text box option on the side. You can just only type whatever you just needed, like a text box. So I just need a better text box here. So first step, for click on this plus symbol, then you just need to click on the design. After clicking on the design, it will open a design here. You can find all things here, and here you have the template of our text box. You can just add this if you just need it. Just click on the single click. You can just add it, and you can just change it, like just going to change it as a text box. Okay, I'm just going to remove the other elements in this page. So I just blankly making it as a text box. You can just change the background color if you just need it from here, or just going to make this or make a like this. I'm just going to increase the size of the text, and after creating the text box here, you can just click on the text option here. You also have the option to add text box. After creating the text box, click on the save option. So it will be created like this. If you just need a blank text box, you just click on the same design and just need to add the design here. So click on this and just add text, and now just type whatever you just needed. Here also I'm just going to type as text, and just increase the size of the text, and click on the save option. So it will be like this. So you can just resize that text box. This is how you just insert the text box in your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.